Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your guide to the best travel destinations. Today we dive into the vibrant city of Miami, starting with the iconic South Beach. South Beach, known affectionately as So Be, is the heart of Miami's social scene. It's a place where the sun always seems to shine brighter and the sea sparkles a bit more. Sunbathers, surfers, and beach volleyball players all flock here, filling the sandy shores with life and laughter. But South Beach isn't just about the sun, sand, and sea. Venture a little farther inland and you'll discover bustling oceanfront restaurants serving up everything from fresh seafood to Cuban cuisine. Unique shops line the streets, offering everything from designer fashion to quirky souvenirs. The vibrant street life, fueled by the constant hum of music and chatter, is a spectacle in itself. South Beach is truly a paradise for beach lovers and a must-visit when you're in Miami. Next up on our Miami journey is the gateway to the Everglades. Miami is indeed a launchpad into the expansive wilderness of the Everglades, a luscious landscape that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This vast subtropical wilderness serves as a sanctuary for an array of exotic wildlife, from the stealthy American alligator to the elusive Florida panther. Its unique ecosystem, a blend of freshwater and coastal habitats, is a cradle of biodiversity. Here, mangrove forests intertwine with sawgrass prairies and pine rocklands, creating a rich tapestry of life that is unrivaled anywhere else on Earth. Every year, countless visitors embark from Miami to explore the Everglades, drawn by the promise of adventure and the chance to witness nature in its rawest form. Whether you're navigating the waterways by airboat or hiking through the forests, the Everglades offers a breathtaking escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The Everglades is a testament to Miami's natural beauty, offering an unforgettable adventure. From the wild Everglades, we move on to the serene Florida Keys. This string of tropical islands, stretching over 100 miles into the Gulf of Mexico, is a paradise renowned for its scenic beauty and relaxed lifestyle. Each key has its own unique character, from the diving haven of Key Largo to the cultural hub of Key West. The Keys offer a plethora of outdoor activities. You can dive into the world's third-largest coral barrier reef, angle for the big one during the day, or paddleboard under a moonlit sky. The islands are also a sanctuary for wildlife, with dolphins, sea turtles, and a variety of bird species calling them home. But perhaps what truly sets the Keys apart is the laid-back island lifestyle. Here, life moves at a slower pace, inviting you to kick back, relax, and soak in the stunning views. The Florida Keys, with its laid-back charm and stunning views, is another Miami highlight. Now let's head back to the city and drive along the famous Ocean Drive. Known for its vibrant nightlife, this iconic street is the heart of Miami's entertainment scene. It's a hub of activity, pulsating with the rhythms of music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses from its numerous restaurants, bars, and clubs. Day or night, Ocean Drive never sleeps. But there's more to Ocean Drive than just its nightlife. The street is a visual feast of colorful Art Deco buildings. These architectural gems, with their pastel hues, neon lights, and distinctive geometric designs, create a unique and unforgettable streetscape. It's like stepping back in time to the Roaring '20s, but with a distinctive Miami twist. So whether you're after a delicious meal, a night of dancing, or just want to soak up the unique atmosphere, Ocean Drive has it all. Ocean Drive, with its pulsating life, is representative of Miami's energetic spirit. Speaking of Art Deco, Miami is known for its stunning Art Deco architecture. The city's Art Deco historic district, nestled in the heart of South Beach, is a visual treat with over 800 preserved buildings. These structures, with their vibrant hues, geometric designs, and neon lights, are a testament to a bygone era, an era of elegance and glamour that's been seamlessly integrated into Miami's modern cityscape. This architectural style, with its emphasis on symmetry, streamlined forms, and bold outlines, has its roots in the Roaring '20s and the early '30s. Yet it's found a unique expression in Miami, where it's been blended with elements of local culture and tropical aesthetics. This fusion has resulted in a distinctive architectural landscape that's as much a part of Miami's identity as its sun-soaked beaches or vibrant nightlife. Miami's Art Deco architecture is a feast for the eyes, adding a unique charm to the city. Miami is not just about beaches and buildings. It's also known for its rich Latin American influence. The fusion of cultures from countries like Cuba, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and Colombia permeates every facet of Miami life, from the food to the music and festivals. Take a stroll through vibrant neighborhoods like Little Havana, where the aroma of fresh Cuban coffee wafts through the air and the rhythm of salsa music fills the streets. Here you'll find authentic Latin cuisine, from mouth-watering empanadas to rich, hearty black beans and plantains. The city also hosts numerous festivals that celebrate its Latin roots, like the Calle Ocho Festival, a lively street party featuring Latin music, dance, and cuisine. And let's not forget the music. From the pulsating beats of reggaeton to the smooth rhythms of salsa, Latin American music is the soundtrack of Miami. The Latin American influence gives Miami its unique flavor, making it a culturally rich city. Back to the coast, Miami boasts of its world-class beaches. Home to a dazzling array of sandy retreats, each beach offers its own unique allure. From the tranquil, family-friendly spots to the vibrant party beaches, Miami's coastline truly caters to all tastes. Just imagine sinking your toes into the warm, golden sands of Crandon Park Beach, or diving into the crystal-clear waters of Lummis Park Beach. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, the serene beauty of Bill Baggs Cape Florida State Park offers an idyllic escape from the hustle and bustle. But it's not all about relaxation. For the partygoers among us, the energetic pulse of South Beach, with its trendy beach bars and nightclubs, is the place to be. No matter what you're looking for, the variety and beauty of Miami's beaches are unmatched. Miami's world-class beaches offer something for everyone, making it a beach lover's dream. From the sandy beaches, we move on to the historical Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. Nestled in the heart of Miami, this grand estate echoes an era gone by, standing as a testament to the city's vibrant history. Built in the early 20th century, the Vizcaya was once the winter home of industrialist James Deering. Today, it serves as a museum, showcasing a spectacular array of decorative art and furnishings from the 16th to the early 20th centuries. The gardens, inspired by Italian and French designs, are a sight to behold. Lush greenery, ornate fountains, and intricate sculptures create an enchanting atmosphere, a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. But it's not just the gardens that are breathtaking. Inside the museum, you'll find a treasure trove of European art and antiques, each piece telling a story of its own. The Vizcaya Museum and Gardens provide a peek into Miami's history and a break from its bustling city life. As the sun sets, Miami's pulsating nightlife comes alive. This vibrant city is a nocturnal playground, where the rhythm of the night echoes through its world-renowned clubs, live music venues, and chic cocktail bars. Amidst the shimmering city lights, Miami pulses with an irresistible energy, drawing in the adventurous and the glamorous from every corner of the globe. The city's nightlife is a kaleidoscope of experiences. From the thumping beats of electronic dance music that fill the air in South Beach clubs, to the sultry sounds of Latin rhythms in Little Havana, there's a rhythm for every soul. It's a place where world-class DJs spin the decks and live bands set the stage for unforgettable nights. The allure of Miami's nightlife goes beyond the music. It's the city's reputation as a party destination, a place where the thrill of the night is embraced with open arms. Miami's pulsating nightlife is a testament to the city's energetic and vibrant character. Finally, Miami is known as the cruise capital of the world. This illustrious title isn't just for show, it's a testament to the city's bustling maritime activity. Miami's vibrant port, one of the busiest ports globally, plays host to an array of the world's leading cruise lines. Imagine the sight of colossal cruise ships, each one a floating city unto itself, setting sail into the sunset, embarking on journeys to exotic destinations. The port is a hive of activity, where the thrill of upcoming voyages mingles with the anticipation of returning ones. It's not just about the ships, though. The Port of Miami is a marvel in its own right, with state-of-the-art facilities and services to ensure smooth sailing for all passengers. Being the cruise capital of the world adds another feather in Miami's cap, making it a truly diverse city. It's an undeniable part of Miami's charm, a testament to the city's love for life on the open sea.